upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two drones that promise to make you the Spielberg of the air. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone GPS drone HS-175D, or as I like to call it, the Holy Smokes drone. And on the right, we have the DROCON drone, affectionately dubbed the DROCONator. Buckle up, because we're about to find out which one of these flying gadgets is worth your hard-earned cash. Let's start with the Holy Smokes drone. It's packing a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a mini Michael Bay in the sky. Meanwhile, the DROCONator brings a 1080p camera to the table. It's good, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a YouTube vlog. Reviewers say the Holy Smokes drone offers impressive picture quality, perfect for capturing detailed shots. On the other hand, the DROCONator's camera is deemed average, but sufficient for casual use. If you want to capture your neighbor's backyard in stunning 4K without them noticing, the Holy Smokes drone is your guy. But if 1080p is more your style, the DROCONator has you covered. Just remember, higher resolution means you can zoom in and see all the juicy details. Next up, the Holy Smokes drone boasts GPS auto return. So if it loses signal, goes out of range, or gets a little low on juice, it'll come back to you like a loyal puppy. The DROCONator, on the other hand, has a stable flight mode with altitude hold, headless mode, and emergency stop. It's like the cautious grandma of drones, always making sure it's safe. According to reviews, the Holy Smokes drone's GPS feature is a lifesaver for beginners, ensuring the drone returns home safely. Meanwhile, the DROCONator's stability features make it easy to control, especially for kids. If you're the type who gets lost in your own backyard, the Holy Smokes drone's GPS auto return is your new best friend. But if you like to play it safe and keep things stable, the DROCONator might just be your spirit animal. The Holy Smokes drone gives you a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show. The DROCONator offers 24 minutes, which is like watching a sitcom and then some. Reviewers of the Holy Smokes drone appreciate the extended flight time, noting that it allows for longer, more enjoyable flying sessions. DROCONator users also like the dual batteries, but note that the shorter flight time can be limiting. So if you want to film your entire neighborhood and still have time for a snack break, the Holy Smokes drone is your go-to. But if you're more of a quick flight and back kind of person, the DROCONator will get you there and back with time to spare for some drone selfies. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, but the Holy Smokes drone is under 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration. The DROCONator is also under 249 grams, so it's a tie in the weight class. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, making them convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. It's like watching a featherweight boxing match where both fighters are equally lazy about paperwork. But hey, who wants to deal with the FAA, right? The Holy Smokes drone can trace and follow you, fly in circles, and even take photos when you pose. It's like having a personal paparazzi. The DROCONator offers gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips. It's basically a flying circus. Reviewers of the Holy Smokes drone love the follow me and waypoint modes, finding them useful for capturing dynamic shots. DROCONator users enjoy the fun features like voice control and flips, making it a hit among kids. If you want a drone that can follow you around like a clingy ex, the Holy Smokes drone is your pick. But if you want to boss your drone around with your voice and make it do flips, the DROCOnator is your new best friend. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the Holy Smokes drone's advanced features, stability, and picture quality, making it a great choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. The DROCOnator receives praise for its ease of use, fun features, and suitability as a gift, particularly for children. However, some users note its lightweight build and average camera quality as drawbacks. Upbeat music playing. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holy Smokes drone is like the James Bond of drones. High-tech, sophisticated, and always knows its way home. The DROCOnator, on the other hand, is like your fun, adventurous buddy who's always up for a good time. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart comparison. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.